4 beautiful ladies. One is going to be the first runner-up. Contestant number Churchandpur, contestant number 3, Bahoi Chong Haukid.
That is your first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, of Miss Good 2022. Congratulations. Here is the sash and the gift, followed by the big money.
Your first runner-up for Miss Good 2022, contestant number 3, Bahoi Chong Haukid.
I would request both the winners to kindly move a little backstage, and the remaining 3 to please step forward. Churchandpur, everyone who is in Churchandpur, the final time is here, where we would know, or we would have, the Miss Good 2022. Any guesses? Any guesses? And to crown our winner, we have our reigning Miss Good of 2019.
Marlon Ying Moin Sing Paite, please step forward.
So here it is. Months of hard work and preparation. The time is here. I have the winner in my hand.
Finalists, the time has come. One of you 3 beautiful ladies will be crowned Miss Good 2022. Good luck to all.
And the winner of Miss Good 2022
is...
any guesses?
Should I rather call it tomorrow? Should I rather call it tomorrow? Because my heart is pounding. Let's call on stage the Miss Good 2022 rose.
And our Miss Good will be presented with a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh, and that will be presented by our chief guest. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 16, Teresa.
Your Miss Good 2022 contestant number 16, Teresa Varte.
A team member from the Atomy group to present the prize. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your Miss Good 2022. Please give her a big round of applause. Please all say good day with this.
Your contestant contestant number 16, Teresa Varte, the Miss Good 2022. Please take your first walk as Miss Good 2022. Example, Teresa for you, Miss Good 2022.
And we also have Team Atomy to do the honors of giving her a gift voucher.
Our Miss Good will be given a gift hamper by the Atomy team. This is the Atomy team presenting the gift hamper to our Miss Food 2022, Teresa Varte.
Thank you so much, Team Atomy. There's another gift hamper to our first runner-up and our second runner-up, which has been generously sponsored by Atomic Care.
Goodbye.